Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can change colors of any objects in Geometry Dash. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to put your objects in Geometry Dash. So in my case I'm going to be putting different objects. I'm going to be putting this specific object, this one, and of course maybe this one. Now, to edit the colors of these objects, just click on the Edit Objects option. From here, click on the OBJ option, and then you have the ability to choose the color that you want to apply. Now, the problem with this one is that it will apply this specific color into all of our objects. Now, if you want to apply specific colors to individual blocks, you want to select a block first. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting this specific block, which is going to be this one. Once again, click on the edit object, and then you want to select the next free option, which will then take us to the next free object or the next free preset. And from here, you can then apply the color that you want to select. So for this one, let's say yellow. And then if we back out, it will then apply that color. For this one, let's do the same thing. Click edit object, click next free, and then you want to apply the second one, which is going to be this one. Click OK, and that's it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.